Hi guys, welcome back to Jeanette and her channel, to Jeanette and her puzzles. That's the one. Today I have a jigsaw that I've been looking forward to do since my last birthday, which was 2 months ago, and I'm super excited to show it to you. Dum 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 dum. It's a Harry Potter jigsaw. How cool is that? It's a 1000-piece puzzle from Ravensburger, and the title is written in many languages, but the English one is Magical Student Harry Potter. For anyone who doesn't know, this boy, that's Harry Potter. Obviously Hermione and Ron. And then we've got other people around. Then we've got Dobby. There's Dobby. Oh, this is gonna be a really fun one to do. I can't wait to start working on this one, so enough talking and let's move on. One thing I like to do when the puzzle is completely new is when I open the bag, I put all the pieces into the box. And for me, this is the easy way to get rid of the puzzle dust. Now let's check the quality of the pieces. As usually, the puzzle is done on cardboard. Not too hard, not too soft, normal thickness. The picture is very clear. The overall quality is good. It's exactly what I would expect from Ravensburger puzzle. So yeah, let's just move on to sorting now. I just finished the sorting and I wanted to show you how much puzzle dust got collected in the box. I think it's good to do it this way because then you can just throw the puzzle dust away and the puzzle board stays clean. I was so aggressive at one point that one of the pieces flew behind the bed, so I had to take that out, but it's okay, I think all of the pieces are there now. While I was doing the sorting, I realized that it's quite easy to recognize the faces on the puzzles, so I think it's gonna be fairly simple. There is quite a lot of black puzzles, but there isn't one big chunk of single color section. The goal is to complete this one in one day. So yeah, let's just move on. I just completed the edge. It was a bit harder than I expected it to be, but once you get to know how the pattern goes, it becomes a bit easier. There's a lot of detail that was put into the edge, which is exactly what I would expect from Harry Potter, so it looks really pretty. I would normally do the jigsaw by colours, but with this one, because the faces are so easy to find, I just started with the faces and it's so cute. We can see all of them. I think it's time to get a new board for pieces because it's annoying that I have to keep stretching over the puzzle in order to find the pieces. I came to a point where it became a bit more complicated. I think I'm gonna have to sort the pieces out by their shape, so it's gonna be easier from now on. I nearly finished with the jigsaw, but I came to the point where everything looks black to me. I know it's got some sort of patterns on it, but it's hard to see the difference between them. So the jigsaw is complete. I really enjoyed doing it. There's never too much Harry Potter in your life. I'm really happy that it got done. I managed to complete it in one day, so I'm really proud of myself. It took me roughly about 4 hours to do it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and check out the other jigsaw I put together. Bye!